The President and congressional Democrats have noted again and again that under their measure, those who like their plans will be able to keep them. After Thursday's vote, even Democrats are admitting that's no longer true.
They're cutting Medicare to fund a new government program. They're taxing the American people through drugs and devices and their own insurance policies more money so that government can have a larger hand in health care.
But everybody in America needs to know that this bill is not going to help seniors at all. This bill takes money from senior health care.
Is the Senator aware of that letter? The home care associations support the legislation. Is the Senator aware of that letter?
I don't know what the deal was, but I know that the people who are in the home health care business that see $43 billion in cuts to their business, the funding for their business, were not there when the lobbyists showed up.
I just want to add, if there was a deal made, it wasn't made with everybody. I have a letter dated December the 4th of this year to me from Joy Adams, Executive Director of the Georgia Home Health Care Association, endorsing the Johans Amendment. So they must not have been part of the deal. And they represent Georgia. And further in here, they say...
Called up to Senator Reid's office very soon.
They might be, but what it says in here, the reason they oppose it is that they estimate 68 of the 100 Medicare-approved home health care agencies in Georgia will go out of business.
If it had been a real deal, if there really was a deal, shouldn't they have put in that this money would go to benefit Medicare recipients, not to create a brand new entitlement, not to benefit people who have nothing to do with Medicare? If you're going to take $42 billion out of the Medicare money that's going to home health care, shouldn't it have gone to make this system a little more solvent?
I don't understand what it is that would cause my friends on the left, on the other side of the aisle, to throw seniors under the bus.
You cannot take $464 billion away from Medicare, a program that the seniors of this country depend upon, and say that it won't affect their care. It will.
Here's how one of our Democratic colleagues put it. We're not going to be able to say that, quote, if you like what you have, you can keep it, end quote. And then he added, and that's a basic commitment that a lot of us around here have made that will be called into question.
Conscience ought to prevail, and this bill ought to be stopped. And one member of the Democratic Party who feels in his or her heart that this is really a dumb idea will let his or her conscience prevail.
The American people are asking us to stop this bill and start over.